Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 1991 Russell Yachts 47 centerboard ketch Salt as she sits here at her owner's home in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Truly a one-of-a-kind hand-built vessel. I'm going to walk you through her accommodations. This is an aft starboard quarter berth with a cruising chute. Of course, we have our galley first, and underneath this island is a 2015 Yanmar 75 horsepower turbo diesel. It looks spanking brand new. Here we have a Grunnert refrigeration system. Now, a nice thing about this design is you have two settees. Under each settee is both a water tank and a fuel tank. It's a mirrored setup. Of course, now we're going to walk forward. We come to a very large master stateroom. And of course, there is the first anchor locker. And there's another anchor locker a little bit further aft. The woodwork, I'm going to swing wide and let you see the woodwork. And then looking port. Okay, we come to the master head here. And stepping through, we have another anchor locker right here. Now, of course, we're going to head back aft on the port side, and there's another settee, again with a diesel tank and a water tank underneath, as well as a TV on a swing-out arm and a DVD player. And since this boat is all about long voyages, we have another compass down here. Okay. Further aft, this is the port side of the galley. We've got a dinette navigation table. We've got a GPS map 4208, Pioneer stereo, Humminbird VHF, and of course all our control panels. Boat also has a newer Cummins Onan generator with just over 2,200 hours. And then finally, at the end, we have a guest head with access to our generator through the door and our seacocks. And that concludes our quick walking tour of Salt, the 1991 47-foot Russell Yachts built by Handmade Boats of Delaware.